In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the high beam bulb. It is a number 9005. So you're going to want to take a 10mm socket or wrench and disconnect the negative side of the battery. To be able to access the headlight bulb, you're going to need to take this upper cowl off, like a radiator cover. You have a Phillips screw here, and then the rest are body pins. There's 8 total. You take a flathead screwdriver, guide it right down in there, pop that trim piece off. There's 4 per side. And then a Phillips one at both peaks on the top on both sides. With a Phillips screwdriver, because it's plastic, I turn it at a slow pace, and if I don't see it moving, lifting up, I'll take a little pocket screwdriver and try to pry in at the same time. Let's see if we can pop that up. There we go, just like that. Now I'm going to do the other 4 on the other side. Just going to lift this up, slide out the latch handle right out of the way. So this is the high beam bulb location right here. So you're going to grab a hold of it, turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. And to take the bulb out, you're going to push down on this tab, squeeze it with your thumb, and pull. Now you're going to line up the tabs, just like that, until it clicks. Don't touch the glass. And you're going to line it up with the headlamp hole. You're going to line it up right with that hole. Turn the item counterclockwise till the tabs line up, flush, and then turn it clockwise till it locks. Now we can reattach the negative battery cable with a 10mm socket or wrench. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.